doing the accessories belts on the Z. It's up on the ramps. I'll show you. Take a look underneath. So that's what it's. You got to take that bottom panel thing off. Plastic panel. This is what it looks like underneath. So there's one of your idler. There's two belts. One of your idler pulleys there. Other idler pulley there. And those have got 14mm sockets on them. Then at the bottom of those there's these adjustment thingies, which apparently, and you can see there's the other one over there, those need to be loosened off 5 turns with your socket, and then tightened up 5 turns again once the belt's been changed. Then you get your correct adjustment, because otherwise you need to use a proper tool for pressing on the belt and showing you how much tension should be on the belt. So the easiest way is just undo them 5 turns, do them up 5 turns again. But the procedure is undo the idler pulley nuts first, just to loosen those off, and then loosen the tension off the belt. Take this engine cover off because it just makes it easier to get down and there to the belts when you're putting the belts back on again and taking them off. If you want to not have to take the fans off, then you need a fairly short socket for that 14mm nut on the upper idler pulley. So I've got a 3/8 one here that I used that fitted in there, and I wasn't able to use an open-ended wrench. That particular nut was on too tight. The other one wasn't all that tight. These are the genuine Nissan. They're called Pickwork. Genuine Nissan belts. Hopefully I've ordered the right ones. These are part numbers for 350Z. This is the accessories belt, and let's see if I can get in the light. That's why replacing the other main belt wasn't so bad. Oh, sorry, not accessories belt, aircon belt. The other belt with the power steering and all that on it wasn't so bad, but this one was getting pretty bad, so that's why we're doing it. When you undo these adjustment bolts for the pulleys, the bolt for the pulley needs to be undone first to take the tension off that, but whatever. But when you undo these adjustment bolts, and that's the other one there under the aircon idler, when you undo those, the American videos say to undo them 5 times but that is, I found that to be incorrect. So the main bigger belt I had to unwind it 12 times, 12 turns of the socket wrench, and the aircon idler I had to undo it 14 times, and that was just so that I could get enough room to get the new belt on. And then I did them up 1 turn less, so I did up the main one 11 times and the aircon one 13 times, 13 turns, just to give it slightly less tension, because I don't want to, it feels about the right tension, but I don't want to go crazy on it so that I don't wreck any of the, like the power steering pump or the water pump or anything like that. So I'm going to see how that goes and just check that they seem to be about right when I do normal driving. But yeah, they needed to be undone a lot more to get the new belt on over those idler pulleys. So just be aware that those American videos are incorrect with the amount of turns with that 5 turns. Oh, there's a British video that says it as well. It says 5 turns, but that appears to be incorrect from what I can see. And the belts are correct. I've checked them for size against the old belt, and they're the correct belts. These are the part numbers, the Pickwork part numbers, Japanese part numbers. 6PK1175, 4PK945. You'll find those correct anyway if you look them up on JP Car Parts or Amiyama or whatever.